Good morning, children. Hope you are all doing well. Today, I am going to teach about plants growing in different areas. We all know our earth is very big and it has different areas like forest, plain land, water, desert, sea coast, etc. Wherever we go, find types of plants and animals. For example, plants found in the desert are different from those found in the mountain. Do you know why? Do you know how these plants survive in the extreme climatic conditions? Come on, let us see this in our science class. Why trees and plants grow in different places look so different? Because the plant make some changes to survive in different surroundings. We saw plants make a lot of changes to adapt themselves to the different climatic conditions, soil types, rainfall, temperature, and the habitat. The process of making themselves to adjust their surrounding or habitat by the plants is called as adaptation. Once again, I'll repeat. The process of making themselves to adjust their surrounding or habitat by the plants is called as adaptation. According to the habitat, we can divide plants into two groups. The first one is terrestrial plants or land plants, and the second one is aquatic plants or water plants. Now we are going to learn about terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants. On land, there are mountains, forest, plains, and desert. Some places have heavy rainfall. Some have snowfall. Some are very hot and dry. Different types of plants adapt themselves to the natural conditions of their area, which help them to survive comfortably. For example, a cactus plant that grows in a desert area cannot grow in the coastal area. We have 7 types of plants in terrestrial. 1. Plants on mountains. 2. Plants in plains. 3. Plants in deserts. 4. Plants in areas of heavy rainfall. 5. Plants in swampy or marshy land. 6. Plants on seacoast. 7. Non-green plants. Now let's see the first one. Plants on mountains. In the hilly places like Kashmir, Ooty, and Darjeeling, the trees are cone-shaped, tall, and straight, so that the snow can easily slide off. Instead of flowers, they have cones with seeds inside them. The leaves are needle-like with the tough and waxy coating to survive the snow and cold. And also, some plants shed, means fall their leaves in winter to protect themselves from cold. Example, oak, maple, and peach. Plants in plains. On the plains, there are a variety of plants. They generally have several branches and leaves. To protect themselves from cold, they shed their leaves in autumn, and they are called deciduous trees. Some examples are neem, peepal, mango, gulmohar, sal, etc. Plants in deserts. In deserts, there is very little rainfall, climate is very hot, and soil is sandy. Yet, some plants like cactus and date palms have adapted themselves to survive in these conditions. For example, adaptation in cactus. 1. They have no leaves to avoid loss of water. 2. Their stems are green and food is manufactured here by photosynthesis. 3. There are no branches but thorns to avoid eaten up by animals. 4. Water is stored in the fleshy stems. Plants in areas of heavy rainfall. In these areas, we see a sharp contrast because water is abundant. Trees have lot of leaves. They remain green throughout the year. Hence are called evergreen trees. Example, rubber, cashew, pepper, teak, coconut, sugarcane, etc. Plants in swampy or marshland areas. The regions where the soil is clay, the water do not drain away. They are called swampy or marshy areas. The roots of the plant that grow here do not get air in the soil, so they have adapted themselves accordingly. The roots that grow outside the soil and takes the air they need. For example, mangroves. Plants on seacoast. We can see lot of coconut palm along the coastal areas. They have adapted themselves to withstand the strong winds, salty water, and heavy rainfall. The seeds of such plants spread by sea water. And the last one is non-green plants. Some non-green plants like mushrooms and fungus do not contain chlorophyll. So they cannot manufacture their own food by photosynthesis. They absorb food from other plants and animals. Example, fungus grows on other plants, dead animals, or on stale food, and they get their food. So they are called parasitic plants. So the plants growing in different conditions have special features. These features help them to survive in their natural climatic conditions. We humans should not disturb them and their habitats. Knowingly or unknowingly, by doing this, we only will suffer. Save trees, plant more trees, and protect our environment. And now I am going to give the answers for your last worksheet. Choose the correct. 1. The tip of leaf is called dash. Answer, apex. 2. The animals breathe out dash. Answer, carbon dioxide. 3. At the base of petiole, a small green leaf-like structure is called dash. Answer, stipule. 4. A thick vein running towards the center of leaves is called dash. Answer, midrib. 5. Glucose is a type of dash. Answer, sugar. For fill-up, 1. The best source of light is dash. Answer, sun. 2. Carbon dioxide is a gas present in the dash. Answer, atmosphere. 3. Photo means dash. Answer, light. 4. All living things need dash to grow. Answer, food. 5. Plants can prepare their dash. Answer, own food. Thank you, children.